In electrical engineering, these types of problems are very important, and we can easily solve these problems by using the Casio FX991ES. So I am going to solve these 5 problems. So the first problem is 5 angle 50 plus 6 angle 60. Before solving these problems, set the mode of the calculator in complex. Press the button mode, press this button and then press the button 2. Press the button 2 and you can see this calculator is working now in complex mode. See, the complex is written. So now the calculator is working in the complex mode. Okay. The first problem is 5 angle 50 plus 6 angle 60 and write the whole equation on the screen of the calculator. To write this equation, press bracket, then 5 angle. How to write angle in the calculator? Press the button shift, then press this button. So press this button shift, then press this button angle. Now you can write 50. In the same way, write bracket 6 angle. For angle, you have to press this button shift, then press this button angle and write 60. And if you are pressing the button equals to, you will by default get the answer in the rectangular form. To get the complete solution, press SD. You can see the answer of question number 1 in rectangular form is 6.21 plus 9.02 J. In electrical engineering, we write J, and in the calculator, instead of J, we have to use I. I means iota. Suppose I want to convert the answer in the polar form, then press answer, then press the button shift, then press the button 2, then press the button 3. So you can see that we are going to convert the answer in the polar form. So press the button press the button equals to. So this is the answer of question number 1 in polar form. But as you can see that we are unable to get the complete solution on the screen. So to get the complete solution on the screen, press SD. So the answer of question number 1 in the polar form is 10.95 angle 55.45. So our question number 1 is complete. So this question is complete. So we are proceeding to the question number 2. Okay. So it is written 3 plus 4J plus 7 angle 70. So write the whole equation on the screen of the calculator. So how to write it? Press bracket, then press 3 plus 4J. How to write J? You have to press this button to write J. Press this button. Okay. J. Then plus bracket 7. To write angle, as I have told you, press this button shift, then press this button. First press shift, then press this button, and you can write 70 and press equals to. You will get the answer in the rectangular form by default. Press SD to get the complete solution on the screen. So this is the answer of question number 2 in rectangular form. And if you want to convert the answer in the polar form, press answer, then press shift, then 2, then 3. Okay. Press the equals to button and then press SD. to get the complete solution on the screen. So this is the solution of question number 2 in the polar form. You can see it is written 11.887. Again I am repeating it. The answer of question number 2 in polar form is 11.87, angle 62.98. Okay, so our question number 2 is complete. Let me proceed to question number 3. In this question number 3, we have to write the numerator values and the denominator values. So press this button, press this button. Okay. So now you can write the numerator and denominator simultaneously. So write it 3 plus 4. For J you have to press this button, this one. Okay. Then 5 plus 6, and for J you have to press this button. Okay. Then 5. For angle you have to press this button, shift, then this one. Press this button. Okay. Then write 50. Suppose you want to get the answer in polar form first, then press shift, then 2, then 3. You can see that the answer which will be given by the calculator will be in the polar form. So press equals to, then press SD if you want to get the answer in the decimal form. See, the answer is given in the root form. It is given under root 61 angle 53.32. If you will press the SD button, you will get the solution in the decimal form, 7.81 angle 53.32. So the answer of question number 3 in polar form is 7.81 angle 53.32. And if you want to convert the answer in the rectangular form, then press answer, then press shift, then 2, then press 4. Press this button 4, then equals to, then SD. So the answer of question number 3 in the rectangular form is given on the screen of the calculator, 4.66 plus 6.26 J. Okay, so our question number 3 is complete. Let us proceed to question number 4. Press this button first, write in bracket 3 plus 4 J divided by 5 plus 6 J. Suppose I want to get the answer in the polar form, so press shift, then 2, then 3, then equals to. To get the solution in the decimal form, press SD. So the polar form of the answer of question number 4 is 0.64 angle 2.935. And if you want to convert the answer in the rectangular form, press answer, then shift, then 2, then 4, then equals to. Then press this button SD to get the value in the decimal form. So this is the answer in the rectangular form of the question number 4. So our question number 4 is complete. Now let us solve question number 5. Press this button first and bracket 3 plus 4 J bracket 5. For angle, press this button shift, press it, shift, then press this button, so you can see it is angle 50. Then in the denominator we have to write 6 angle 60 plus 7 angle 70, 7 70. If you are directly pressing the equals to button, you will by default get the answer in the rectangular form. To see the complete answer, press SD. So this is the answer of question number 5 in the rectangular form. And if you want to convert the answer in the polar form, press answer, then press shift, then 2, then 4 equals to. So this is the answer of question number 5 in rectangular form. Suppose you want to calculate the value in the polar form, then press answer, then shift, then 2, then 3 equals to, then press SD. So this is the answer of question number 5 in polar form. So if you like this video, kindly share it to the students of electrical engineering.